Hi guys, welcome to healthspectra.com. Wheezing, causes and symptoms. Wondering what is the whistling sound while you are breathing? Chances are that you are wheezing. What is wheezing? Wheezing is referred to as the condition in which one experiences sudden high-pitched sounds when they are breathing in and out. What are the causes of wheezing? The range of causes can vary from the spectrum of mild to severe. We will discuss some of the most common, yet major causes behind wheezing. Airway infection. Airway infection can be caused by a number of vectors and is one of the most common reasons behind the constriction of the airways that cause wheezing. Asthma. Chronic diseases like asthma often tend to be the reason behind the narrowing of the airways that causes labored breathing and henceforth, wheezing as well. Gastroesophageal reflux disease. It is believed that the interaction between the stomach acids with that of the vocal cords often tend to cause inflammation that is correlated with the constriction of the airways. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Oftentimes, the excess accumulation of mucus in the airways in patients suffering from COPD can be the primary reason behind wheezing. Wondering what the possible clinical symptoms of wheezing are? The list of symptoms can often include high-pitched whistling sound while breathing, labored breathing, feeling of tightness around the chest. That concludes the common causes and symptoms of wheezing. If you have been experiencing something similar, it is better to opt for natural remedies or consult a doctor for the condition. Join our WhatsApp subscription for latest health articles delivered right to your mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.